Okay, today we're going to talk about making change. So this is a money skill that you're going to need in real life. When you owe someone money, you need to know how much money to expect back as your change, or if you're the person receiving the money, you need to know how much to give back as change. So there's actually two different strategies you can use to do this. You can subtract or you can add. I will show you both, and feel free to choose whichever one works best for you. A lot of times people will use the adding up when they're actually physically handing back the amount of money, but again, either way will work. Let's start with saying I have a $10 bill and a $5 bill in my wallet, and I owe $14.27 for an item I've purchased. If I want to figure out how much change I should get back, what I can do is figure out how much money I had to start with, $15, and subtract away the $14.27 that I owe to figure out what's left. Okay, so then this works just like normal subtraction. 0 minus 7, can't do it, go next door, nothing to borrow, go next door again and borrow from the 5. Remember, I can't just drop it off in the ones place, I have to drop it off next door, so it goes here. So once again, 10 minus 7, can't do it. However, when I go next door, now there's something to borrow, and I subtract as per normal. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 4 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. The decimal comes straight down just like it normally does when we would add or subtract. I'm going to put my dollar sign out in the front. This means I get 73 cents back. We're going to move away from doing this to indicate cents and move towards this now that we're more familiar with decimals. So this right here says that I will get 73 cents back in change. The other way to do it is to add up. So start with what you have, or what you owe, and add up until you get to the next even dollar amount. So I need to figure out how much do I need for this to get up to $15, right? So what I might start with is adding a 3, right? Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 makes 3, and I need this to get to a 10 or a 0. So 3 plus 7 makes 10. Okay, 4 plus 1 makes 5, and that's all there is. So I know that this number out here is actually a 0. Alright, so in this method I'm still solving. It's just that my answer would be right here. I'd be counting it back. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say this time that I am giving back change. Somebody hands me a $20 bill, and their total was $8.20. Let's make it $8.97. Let's do that. Okay, so same thing, I can subtract. You'll notice I'm putting zeros here in the cent signs because they didn't give me any cents, so I'm going to put zeros to hold that place. Minus the $8.97. Remember, those decimals have to line up. My 8 is in the correct place, it's in the ones place here. Okay, same thing, normal subtraction. 0 minus 7, can't do it. Go next door, nothing to borrow, go next door, nothing to borrow, go next door, finally something I can borrow. Okay, I have to bring it next door and drop it off, and repeat the steps. And one last time. And now I can proceed. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 minus nothing is 1, decimal straight down, dollar sign in the front. I owe that person $11.03 and change. Again, my alternative method is to add up. So start with what is owed, $8.97, and think about how much do I need to add to make it into $9? So that would be 3 cents, right? Okay, and I want this column to be a 0, right? I'm aiming for $20 here. So 9 plus 1 is already 10, so this is actually a 0. I don't need any more there. Okay, I gotta remember to carry my 1 because 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. I need 1 more to make 10. Okay, again, carry my 1. And I need a 1 right here. 1 plus 1 makes 2. So the person owes you $11.03 change, or I guess you owe that person that much change. So how can I make $11.03? So a $10 bill, a $1 bill, and 3 pennies. Okay. So you can use the method of subtracting, or adding up to make change, just make sure that you keep in mind what you owe and how much is paid with.